Hypnotic for the vibes. For the vibes, because you remember when Hypnotic came up?
Yeah.
It shook the whole of Swaziland.
Yeah.
We will give that to Hypnotic because it must come back also so I can host. Every proper shows, we need them to come so I can host.
Rockstar, my guys. Good stuff.
Sanbonani, we come back to the YouTube channel. Banele, we just like music, aka MC of the year, MC of whatever. Please make sure, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and share and like, man. Everything, do younger and comment in.
Hopefully by this time you already subscribed to the channel.
If they haven't, they must pause now.
Pause now.
And subscribe. And welcome back to another episode of What's the Story with Banele Kush. Actually, new member, Ngawa. So we're hoping what is gonna be around because we shoot it every day in the summer. So yeah, and I want us to talk about what are we talking about today?
Last time we left it off on relationships.
I like that topic, bruh.
I'm sure everyone who was following and was watching the last video was probably thinking, do you
think they watched the video?
Huh? What led them to part 2? They didn't see part 1.
I saw the views. I saw the comments also. I know they watched.
Hey.
First of all, what's Umjolo? Is it a relationship or Umjolo is a yingepan? A relationship is Eswatini Umjolo, Umjolo.
Uhlukile bafethu. Umjolo nene is a relationship.
How?
Now serious. Relationship. Umjolo.
Okay man, yini Umjolo ngeSwati? Yini Umjolo ngesingisi? Yini be relationship ngeSwati? Yini athi uhlukile. Mina ngakuthi umuntu ojola umuntu relationship.
I think ngiyati ukuthi uzama ukuthini. Umjolo, it can be translated to a situationship.
There we go. Perfect. Yeah.
Relationship. Serious.
What situation, Buffett? Meaning, I don't understand.
Hey, Brian.
Hey.
Okay. Simple question. We are Chola.
Listen.
Hey. That's the whole point. They're watching. Based on inferiority. Are you okay? We are Chola no relationship.
I want to cut the code. When it's complicated, where I can't explain. Where I can't explain. That's why you know it's Umjolo.
Okay, just Umjolo.
I'm serious. We'll start to talk about it.
What? Just Umjolo. Okay, so simple. Hey,
yeah, so it advertising marketing is in it.
Beware of men.
No,
she's probably gonna say this.
Yeah.
Let them all view. But I'm being claimed. Why if there is that someone, why did that someone not post me and make it public?
I felt look screen. Look screen hey, say
That's
enough to look screen your move. And I let that woman crash Monday and party.
How? It's Monday.
How many host? I ask questions here. No, man, I'm singing. I'm
What about that one?
Which one?
You're in love with the game. I thought you were dating the game.
I'm not even bafethu. Mina I'm single bafethu. And
So what's the name of
nasen taking ngitantshela nasen Umjolo yini umjolo? Ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyathandana umjolo.
Hayi naku ngifuna ukucela.
Manje ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyathandana umjolo.
Nisho. Nabe vele singashiwo ukuthi skiphani la.
But
yeah. My man wafethu. You're in a relationship if it is said, it's saying ngafuna yini noma like I want you to be my girl. Without those words. Of course. You're in a dream.
Umjolo how do you start umjolo?
Umjolo kusethi ngiyakufila. No ngiyakufila. Asende there.
That's a relationship.
No,
man. Do you know why? Yeah, just for vibes.
Yeah, I'm having a good time here. We're having a good time together. Let's add some kissing in the mix.
Mind you, okay.
So there's an and then you decide. Well, let's take it to step 1, step 2, step 3. Was that after you step 5, lower relationship? Then this is still umjolo.
Man, I wouldn't umjolweni. Now uva uthi yona ndaba. Ichere yakho nami sende something. Utabuva buhlungu noma ngeke. Umjolweni.
Ndawumuva, but don't understand.
To a certain extent.
Don't understand because I see official. Do you get what I'm saying? But I'll be like, hey, I'm going to have I say, funny, I say, you can't just go around catching feelings like it's the COVID. Relax.
So when you catch feelings easily?
Not easily, but I do.
This
is my take. This is my technique. Once le cherry ngayibona ngeva ngathi ngithanza kakhulu ngisengayikhulumisi ngiyabaleka ngiyabhaleka ngayithanza kakhulu bese ngoba manje vele ngiyabona ukuthi okay siyamala ke nya because uyathi into ezobadala uyithanze le cherry kungaso yakhe kusebhala uyithanze in such a way ukuthi weva kuthi ujola nakhushi uvunyanya ukuthi ngise nganga ukuthi ungazoshayela lokho ngesagile
kuthi koneni nje kush
yabo. But this is fact. This is a disclaimer.
So that's the thing. But itolo lapha ele event ngimbonile lo munye ngani ngiyamfuna kano relationship. So uthi the best way la ngistanga ukuthi ngibe side gent. So bengifuna kubuda nini ukuthi ngi-advise ngithi ngiyamfuna futhi
ngifuna like umjolo like relationship wise.
I don't know because ngimfunela okay yabona angimfuneli okay ngiyamthanza le ndlela yabo. So wait phela not ukuthanza lo love but ngithanza le image yakhe nale presence yakhe the way she dresses yabo. I feel like singaba some Hollywood vibes yabo. MC of the year, stylist of the year.
So do for the
ngimthanza on not ukuthi I'm not sure about Mhiti but nje ukuthi yabona
she's the type of image.
She's the type of girl that I would hold nje around town walk
boxing high
trophy wife.
Yeah. I wouldn't say boxing high because she's been mileage say too high. No mileage I say khuluma lokunye. But like say so
no but it's on your story man. My daughter
the sound where's that sound coming from?
Me I don't want to discredit umjolo. Umjolo is the first step and then you get as when umjolo then after some time it's kind of gets on in relationships. So now we're talking as a side nigga. That's umjolo vibes though. But boy, ngena ngestina phuma ngestina.
Lo ngena ngestina yophuma ngaso.
Yeah.
No, you must understand very the principle nje eqaleni.
Yeah.
Of it. But then speaking of events like say nini itolo bengu-pop Sunday. So vele I wanted to ask you guys ukuthi ngiyiphi event la kangwane nje probably if we could rate nje ukuthi uwabeke start with the hottest nje top 3 actually top 3 events you've been to or you think the late people will have been attended.
Okay.
Hypnotic has to be somewhere there. Angathi naba ngomba 1, 2 or 3. But
Hypnotic came through of it. We can't even lie. At its peak,
Yeah.
That was Sakhile. Remember when you used to sleep at the hotel?
Yeah, I used to be at Coco.
You
Yeah.
book at Lukoko.
I don't.
Also remember hypnotic.
They are but yeah.
Also remember hypnotic. Sicela Sakhile ngambule ngosiyamabona nalijana. Sikutshela nyalo Sakhile okunayo nenombolo yakhe futhi I'm probably gonna let's send him a message after this. Fanele akubone. Bobhadala le room, ubhadalela kudla, ubhadala bohlala wena. Umagida sibhekane eGeneral ngoVeki. Abantu eGeneral wena. But ngombuta phela.
I'm everywhere. As everywhere.
Asine lena usa fitness ngalenye hypnotic ngifuna ngene VIP. But yeah, the hypnotic ubani bushfire obviously. Is it even an event? I feel like sesikhuluma ngama festival evening. But still nje bushfire uhamba ilenyayo. Have you been to Luju?
No, I actually haven't been. I have my details hour and what
Luju. It's like it's all about food. The theme of food is fashion festival. Food and fashion.
It's like an all-nighter thing.
Yeah. It's a weekend actually.
It's a whole weekend.
It's a whole weekend. But I'm correct it in the comment section. But I think it's a whole weekend. Luju, it's a weekend. Yeah, it's a weekend. I think it's Friday or Saturday and not particular Sunday.
If we're gonna talk about events like from back then, what about Smoothie?
Hey,
hey,
roller coaster
Hey, man, then into ana lapho say sounds like wrestling lapha I say. Oh,
Yeah, I would like to.
crazy.
I've never been to Simunye. Fun fact.
You've never?
Oh,
Now it's a fun and interesting fact. Oh my god.
Never
Oh my
been to
god. The hottest MC. So the hottest MC.
But back then, I don't think I was the hottest player. How? I wasn't hot at that time, but yeah, look. The check, Jay.
You are a late bloomer to the MC game.
But I came through with the heat in Basusebong. Nyadlala, hey, I said I was in MC. So this is Simunye. Oh, when I tell you I'm order, which is first okay.
Yeah, wait to me like say check number 1. I rate hypnotic.
Hypnotic number 1.
Yeah, they say I say Luju, even though I don't know much about it now. But
You
the
never been
hype
to
around
Luju?
it. Yeah. The hype around it. Basically Smoothie. I think I put Smoothie number 3 for childhood memories sake.
Luju. But so you guys used to leave Manzini for Simunye.
Smoothie was fun though.
Did you sleep there?
Okay, I used to sleep there.
I would.
I used to sleep there. Whole weekend. Whole weekend.
They had rooms.
Yeah, they had rooms, bro.
Yeah.
Whole weekend.
So I'm guessing what's his number 1 level?
For me, I'm putting number 1. It has to be hypnotic.
Mana kuna book emaroom lale weekend yonke.
Yeah.
Wona thatha lokubook. Ngobe ngabhukwana nabantu bebantu.
Number 1, hypnotic. And then number 2, not far behind,
Simunye.
Yeah.
Fanfare. That place was amazing. Childhood memories, like you said.
So I've never been to Simunye. So.
I feel ashamed.
Should be ashamed.
You should be ashamed. One day you'll get over your scars.
One day I might host Simunye when it comes back.
Hey, it needs to come back, please.
Come
Whoever's
back.
organizing it.
Phela usasemncane.
Yeah, but now I want to do it for my own self, to relive my
Phela
childhood.
senemfana.
That's number 3.
Number 3. Singaphambuka kakhulu number 3.
Ngaphambuka kakhulu.
Hey, this guy.
Number 3.
Number 3. I say bushfire.
You've been to Bushfire? Never.
Nah, I wasn't talking to.
It's the FOMO.
It's the FOMO.
I've been to Bushfire, I've been to Luju, I've never been to Simunye. So I mean I'd rate it ngekuthi it's number 1, say Bushfire obviously. Number 2, Pop Sunday for the vibes. I feel like it's coming right. Finally, you have to master the management. Yeah, and set everything up proper. But the setup is nice. And then 3rd, it has to be hypnotic for the vibes. for the vibes, because you remember when Hypnotic came up,
Yeah.
it shook the whole of Swaziland.
Yeah.
We will give that to Hypnotic, because it must come back also, so I can host. Every proper shows, we need them to come so I can host.
Right, but we also need a nightlife. That's what.
Nightlife.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Nightlife.
Yeah.
I'm not like
Hey, no.
the only way you can make in nightlife like to be in house
In
parties.
house party.
Which is the vibes.
Go
Yeah.
there was my restaurants like say you can't even go out at night.
At night,
Yeah.
to be
Which is
honest.
same thing nightlife nje ebusuku lana nje sakuthi na 8 wonke medley.
Endlini.
Ngibukela bo yinge pha.
Generation.
Uzalo nabo
Wow.
siyakhulu soon start vulela nizawuthi the kudla the party shout but we prefer personally I prefer house parties.
Yeah.
But I know
I also prefer house parties, but I'd like for there to be a nice nightlife around this country, like especially.
Yeah, let's host one. We might host one, but please make sure Gusi, if you're hosting a house party, just invite us. Then tell us Gusi my events lang 3 in the comment section. What's in Mapi, and it's Banele WHLM.
And it's Kush, your boy Kush Ndalawa.
Angusiam.
It's in Daba.
Yeah.
Instagram handle there, but so you slide in the DMs. One was.
On the description, the links in the Tabacon.
Feel free to DM anyone.
I told you, I'm still get to love.
Yay! Hated situationship.
I'm singing, just feel
I'm
free.
singing. But thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. What else? Share. Like, yes, sir.
And all that jazz.
Yeah.
It's a